quickly approaching an overpass, and up on the overpass is a steam train. You can see it up there. See the steam train? Our engineer is honking the horn. The Ridgeline Live Steamers. And here we go into the tunnel. Barn, mail pouch, and then we're coming to a nice little village here, Wixon. Look at all these nice model homes here. I really like KJZ's Roadhouse there. That is something. This is scaling on a big scale. See a little depot here, a little tunnel. And now we're back out on the trestle. See the Lake Wales Ridge here. See off in the distance, it's like up on a hill. That's why they call it Ridgeline. The Ridgeline Live Steamers. And we got a train coming up right to my right. That's the steamer that we saw earlier. There's a little dog with him. And he has a passenger. Very nice. And a nice caboose. And over here, we have a passenger train. A nice F7 too, F7s. Oh, and a B unit. Wow, look at that, Pennsylvania. Oh, shiny, shiny, shiny. Oh, love it. Love it. And here we're going over where just did a big loop. We came underneath this bridge. Now we're going nice and slow. And I think we're going to stop here.